Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about the computer memory. First of all, you should learn about the IPO cycle. I input, P process, O output. Input is the raw data given to the computer. Computer process the data and the processed data is called information or output. So this is about the IPO cycle. The next thing is computer memory. A computer uses its memory to store the information. Memory devices are also called storage devices. Memory in a computer is used to store data and programs. A computer stores the information in the form of 0 or 1. These are called binary digits or bits. A combination of 8 bits make up 1 byte. Programs and data are made up of characters. They are stored in the memory character by character. Now we will learn about the memory sizes. There is a memory chart. Bit, nibble, byte, kilobyte, megabyte and gigabyte. So that is a memory chart in front of you. Here you can see the 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 KB and 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB. So this is a memory size chart. Bit stands for binary digit. It is the smallest unit of the information and can store only one bit, either 0 or 1 at a time. Now the memory can be divided into two parts, the primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory or internal memory. The secondary memory known as external memory. The primary memory is further divided into RAM and ROM. And the secondary memory is further divided into hard disk, pen drive, DVD, data card, cloud computing, cloud storage and many more. Primary memory, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. It is temporary memory. It is volatile memory also. ROM, read-only memory. It is a permanent memory. It is non-volatile memory. Means the information, the data could not be lost if the power of the computer turned off. So it is also known as non-volatile memory. Now we will learn about the secondary memory. The secondary memory, which is not inbuilt in the computer but can be attached externally to a computer whenever needed. It is also known as the secondary memory. Secondary memory is a permanent memory. As I gave you example in the previous picture, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive and the cloud storage also. Some example of secondary memory. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. While working in a program, the CPU uses RAM for processing. Hard disks are of two types, internal hard disk and external hard disk. External hard disk is portable and the internal hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. It is available in various storage capacity. Next is pen drive. A pen drive is a small portable secondary storage device. Then CD and DVD and BD. CD compact disc, DVD digital versatile disc and BD Blu-ray disc. A CD can store data up to 700 MB. It is a very less storage capacity. DVD can store the data 4.7 GB to 17 GB. It can store the data permanently